Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add a free VPN extension for Chrome. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to search free VPN extension VPN and press enter. Select the first link comes with Chrome Web Store, and here is the VPN named as VPN. Select the add to Chrome option and select add extension. After adding the extension, select this puzzle icon and select the VPN we added. Select the continue option and start option and click on this next arrow next to server, and you can select one of these free location guys. It has France, Netherlands, Russia, Singapore, UK and USA. Select one of these your option. After that select this power icon to turn on the VPN. After turning on, now you can use the VPN without having any problem. If you want to turn it off, select the puzzle icon and select the VPN and select no thanks, continue as free, and just click on the power option to turn it off. And that's how you can add a free VPN extension for Chrome. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.